others, and right now we have a best stop that's actually doing a pretty good job keeping the noise down. They have braces or pillars that go across, and some do a good job, and this best stop actually does a pretty good job on keeping that soft top anchored down, and you don't get that flappy noise, whatever. And so this one does a good job, but still, you still get that noise, especially if it's windy. I don't know if you can hear it now. It's a windy day. I'm traveling long distance, and guess what? It sounds that I'm driving, flying an airplane. It's pretty loud, but not as loud as others. So you should try and if you're gonna go ahead and get a soft top, be aware of that. But there is a pro about it. So there you have it. This is the pro. You get to have a suntan while you're driving, get fresh air with this Best Stop Trek Top NX. And we're going to give you a good deal. If you go over to jcwhitney.com, we're going to give you this coupon code that you're going to be pleasantly surprised at how much discount you're going to get. The coupon code is JCW Event 18. JCW Event 18. So head on over, use that coupon code. You're gonna get a nice big discount, and it's on anything you want to buy on there. But hey, time to get a soft top.